Woodlands Historical Park. I walk a spiritual creek walk next. It's I think it's number 14 in the book. So first of all, I'm going to head through the homestead and pick up the tracks. I might spin the camera around because it's pretty nice. So what the go is, I've got to go through the homestead grounds and pick up a track out to the side. That noise you can hear in the background is Tullamarine Airport. This is the historic homestead. So I'm guessing this is the old stables. Up here. It's obviously pretty quiet today, but it could be because of the weather. It's just stopped raining now. All right, I think I've I've found the right spot. I'm hopeless at trying to find the start of these walks sometimes. Once I'm on them, I'm fine. So that's the end of the homestead precinct. I'm in Woodlands Historic Park now, serenaded by planes coming into Tullamarine. Singapore Airlines, eh? Haven't been to Singapore for a while. So this is already feeling the most bushwalking like of any of the walks that I've done so far. I've made a tactical error though, I think, but anyway, I've left my trekking umbrella in the car. So if these clouds start to rain on me again, I might have to sacrifice a bit of video today. On this one, this is only a short walk, take me about an hour I guess. So I'm dropping down horse paddock track. Yep. To Mooney Creek. When I hit Mooney Creek, I'll swing to the right and follow that. I don't know if it's downstream or upstream. Follow that for a little while anyway. Mooney Creek may or may not have water in. We've had a little bit of rain, but I don't know if it's enough to have the creek flow, and we'll see how we go. I'm a chance at some roos here too. So, I'm down by Mooney Creek now. The creek is pretty well dry. Had a bit of a squiz at it a second ago. There's some roos. Yeah, I don't know if you pick them up over there. There's a few of them. There's always tends to be roos there, in my experience at Woodlands. Yeah, so the creek's fairly dry. Geez, these red gums are pretty gnarly. Have a little one over the back there. I think we can call this the Roos and Red Gum Walk. So this old red gum is growing out of the ground in 2 spots. I'm not sure that's actually growing in the ground, that one, but it's definitely buried a bit. Oh, sun's almost out. So I'm just doing a little loop around there. It's called the Woodlands Flora and Wetlands Trail, I think. It's a little picnic area. Been a bit of rain. Not enough to make the creeks flow though. So Mooney Ponds Creek now down in that row of trees, kind of those big red gums over there. I'm just doing a little loop around this kind of floral walk, and then I'll duck back, start heading back towards the car. So far, I've dodged a bullet when it comes to no rain. Got a few spots now and then, but definite tactical error leaving the umbrella in the car though. I have got a jacket in my pack, but it's still pretty warm for a jacket. I'll turn the camera off at this rate. I'm going to complete the whole of this little nature circuit with the video on, I think. Okay, I'm heading towards I think it's Woodlands Hill now. There you go, Woodlands Hill Lookout. Sounds very grand. If you remember, I mentioned about the roos. Roos and red gums, most definitely on this walk. So this is the high point. Alright, rock looks fairly dry. Let's see if we're going to shimmy up that. I don't know if I'm going to get a view. Okay, back at the homestead. You can wander through the homestead. I wandered through on the way out. I'm just going around the outside now. But yeah, it's a nice spot for a coffee. Okay, I'm back at the car. There's the homestead behind me. That walk came out about 4.7 k's on all trails. It's a good walk. It's probably the most bushwalk-like of all the walks that I've done so far in the book. Good news for me this morning, after all the rain I copped out on the Maribyrnong River. Just a few spots. It's just spitting with rain again now, but really nothing to worry about, which was good because I left my trekking umbrella in the car. Yeah, I'm not the sharpest. All right, I'm going to sign off and head off to. This was walk number 14, I think. Let's head off to walk number 15. I'm not sure where it is yet, but I'm about to find out when I have a look at the book.